487 personnel mula sa Philippine Marines, United States Marine Corps at iba pang security forces ang sasailalim sa 12 araw na Marine Exercise o MAREX 2025. Kabilang sa mga isasagawang training ay Tactical Communication, Light Armor Infantry Operation, Fire Observer Controller, Tactical Logistics, Jungle Survival, Jungle Patrolling at Practical Applications, gayon din ang Combat Marksmanship Program, Amphibious Assault, Mechanized Infantry Operation at Joint Littoral Live Fire Exercise. Ang detalye sa report.
Opisyal nang nagsimula araw ng Lunes, March 31, ang Marine Exercise o MAREX 2025 sa isang seremonya na ginanap sa 1st Marine Brigade Headquarters sa Camp Iranon, Sitio Bombaran, Barangay Tugaig, Barira, Maguindanao del Norte. 487 personnel ang kalahok sa joint exercise na kinabibilangan ng Philippine Marine Corps, United States Marine Corps, Philippine Army, Regional Mobile Force Battalion ng Philippine National Police, Philippine Coast Guard, at Marine Reservist.
Sa bilang naman ng ating mga US Marines, so yung mga counterparts natin, meron silang 179 personnel. Para naman sa atin, sa Philippine Marines, we have 189 and yung other na law enforcement agencies natin na sumali rin, total natin is we have 487 participants para sa activity na to. With this ma'am kasi, pwede nating ma-promote yung interoperability ng bawat forces, ensuring that they can operate in joint operations.
Tatagal hanggang April 11, 2025 ang exercise. Sa loob ng 12 araw, nakasentro ang exercise sa Tactical Communication, Light Armor Infantry Operation, Fire Observer and Controller, Tactical Logistics tulad ng Jungle Survival, Jungle Patrolling and Practical Application, Combat Marksmanship Program at Urban Precision Marksmanship. Magkakaroon din ng pagsasanay hinggil sa Amphibious Assault, Mechanized Infantry Operation at Joint Littoral Live Fire Exercise. Bilang bahagi ng training, isasagawa ng Field Artillery Battalions ng Philippine Army sa ilalim ng Army Artillery Regiment ang Joint Littoral Live Fire Exercise mula April 8 hanggang April 9 sa Dato Blas, Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte. Lalahukan ito ng 6th, 7th, 9th at 10th Field Artillery Battalions kasama ang Field Artillery Battalion ng 1st Marine Brigade.
So we came here to work with Philippine Marine Corps, Philippine Army, and some other forces out here, really just to train together to make each other better and have the opportunity to learn from one another as we just go through different scenarios and different training activities here. So we're having the opportunity to sit down to talk through some of the ways that we do things, the way that they do things, and really just learn from one another so that at the end of this, we both gain a better understanding of how each other works as well as better ourselves as Marines. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us as a Marine Corps to work with the Philippine Navy and Marine Corps to perfect and work on our amphibious operations. And just, again, another opportunity for us to learn from each other as we go through that.
Ang joint exercise ay dinisenyo para mapahusay pa ang maritime security, amphibious operations at special operations sa lugar na sakop ng Joint Task Force Central. Bukod sa combat readiness, palalakasin din ng MAREX 2025 ang disaster response capabilities na nakahanay sa modernization initiatives at National Disaster Preparedness Program ng Philippine Army. Ayon sa 6th Infantry Division, nagsisilbi rin na critical assessment ang pagsasanay sa abilidad ng militar mag-mobilize na mahalagang aspeto ng territorial defense operations. Si 1st Marine Brigade Commander Brigadier General Romulo Quemado II ang nagsisilbing Exercise Director para sa MAREX 2025. Assistant Exercise Director naman si Colonel Zaldi Dioneda. Naphtali Bandol, iMinds Philippines.